Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. Ready to take control of your workflow? With SigniFlow, you get complete visibility into every step of your workflow. You can instantly see who signed, when they signed, where they signed, and what they signed. Everything is right at your fingertips. First, click on the Needs Your Attention basket. Here, you'll find all the documents that require your immediate action. These documents are grouped in their respective portfolios. On your workspace, by clicking on the down arrow, you can preview the document, review a detailed audit log, track workflow information, and even check the signer's geolocation data if enabled. This gives you full transparency and confidence at every stage of the process. Now, click on Portfolios. You'll see 3 folders. Your Portfolios. This contains all portfolios you've created and sent out. To view the details, just click the drop-down arrow next to a portfolio number. You can see the portfolio documents and its audit log right there. All the documents contained within your portfolio will be listed here. Shared with me. This folder holds portfolios shared with you by other users. Deleted. This shows all the portfolios you've deleted. Next, let's explore the document statuses. Pending. Documents waiting for your action. The pending folder lists each document independent from its portfolio. Circulating. Workflows you've created that are waiting on others to action. Here you can also edit the document flow of unsigned documents. This feature is useful if there is an error. Simply click on Edit, then select the signer you would like to edit. Here you can edit the signer's details. Here, you can also remind recipients to take action on the document, download it, or cancel the workflow. Completed. Documents that have been finalized along with the audit trail. Canceled. Any documents you have canceled along with the corresponding audit trail. Drafts. Workflows you've initiated but haven't finished. You can pick up where you left off by clicking Edit Document Flow. Expired. Time-sensitive documents that missed the set deadline. Shared with me. These are completed workflows created by others in which you were part of the flow. Rejected. Documents that you have rejected with a reason noted in the audit log. Deleted. Your folder containing the audit of deleted documents. Team documents. This is an overview of the workflow of all team members, only available for team leaders. To send a new document, simply navigate to the top of your workspace and upload your file. Want more details? Watch our video on creating workflows. With SigniFlow Workspace, workflow management has never been easier. Stay informed and stay in control. SigniFlow has got you covered. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.